Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut out an image object in Illustrator. It's really simple and easy. First of all, import the photo in Illustrator and open Layers menu. Take a new layer, lock the first layer by clicking here. Now select this first layer, select here background, make sure to disable it. Now select the pen tool, click around the object you want to cut. Unlock the first layer and drag this layer to the first layer. Then click on this select in the top and click on all object. Now go for this object, tap on this clipping mask and click on make. Now it's time to export the photo. Click on file, click on export, then select this PNG and click on this save. Background color, you have to tap on this transparent and then click on this OK, and you are good to go. That's pretty much it for this video. That's how to cut out an image object in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.